Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best DJ controllers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rane One. Among DJ-focused brands, Rane has carved out a niche as one of the most trusted and beloved names that concentrate on the needs of scratch DJs. The company makes some of the best scratch DJ mixers, such as the 72MKII, and now it has laid claim to some of the best DJ controllers for scratching. While you can scratch with most DJ controllers with jog wheels, dedicated scratch DJs most often prefer to use vinyl turntables to scratch, because that's where they have the most control and the best feel to practice their art form. However, with the Rane One, scratch DJs don't have to sacrifice much to use a DJ controller. It provides the feel of 2 turntables with a scratch mixer along with conveniences like a dedicated loop section, track browsing and loading, and 8 multi-function performance pads on each deck. The 2 motorized 7-inch turntable platters have the feel of real vinyl, including vinyl break speed adjustment, and the buttery smooth, professional scratch DJ Mag 4 crossfader equals those of high-end scratch mixers, including tension and contour adjustment. Moving on at number 4, we have the Native Instruments Traktor Kontrol S2MK3. There are many DJ controllers aimed at beginners. But if your goal is to not remain an entry-level entertainer forever, the Native Instruments Traktor Kontrol S2MK3 lets you start out with a manageable piece of hardware that semi-pro and pro-level DJs will still use when a gig calls for a relatively small DJ controller. Even better, beginners can start out with the free Traktor DJ2 software, available for Mac, Windows, and iPad, which is very approachable to beginners yet still has the core features you need for credible DJ sets. Traktor DJ2 is also one of the best DJing apps for iPad, and the S2MK3 includes a dedicated USB port for iDevice connections. When you're ready to graduate from Traktor DJ2, you can step up to Traktor Pro 3, which is included with the S2MK3. Traktor Pro 3 now also has a Pro Plus subscription for added performance features like a drum pattern sequencer, but it's not necessary to subscribe to use the main Traktor Pro 3 software. At number 3, we have the Denon DJ Prime 4 Plus. Pioneer DJ standalone DJ systems like the XDJ RX3 are home setup mainstays, in part because you can use the same record box prepared USB sticks from the standalone system on club gear like the CDJ 3000. However, the Denon DJ Prime 4 Plus unequivocally packs the most features into its 4-deck frame at similar price to its main competitors, a little over $2,000. On first glance of the Prime 4 Plus, the eye goes immediately to its brilliant 10.1-inch touchscreen, which offers gesture control familiar to mobile device users powered by the system's multi-core processing. You can play music files without the use of a laptop thanks to 4 USB inputs and an SD card slot, as well as a built-in 2.5-inch SATA drive bay, if you add a hard drive, SSD, taking advantage of onboard song analysis. Or hook it up to a computer loaded with Serato DJ Pro or Virtual DJ software. At number 2, we have the Numark DJ2GO2 Touch. For an ultra-compact DJ controller weighing only 12 ounces and measuring 12.4 by 3.4 inches, the Numark DJ2GO2 Touch dishes out a surprising amount of controls and functionality. There are many reasons to have such a tiny DJ controller, including the ability to take a mini rig almost anywhere to casually play from either a laptop or an iOS device. But the DJ2GO2 Touch can suffice even for more professional mobile DJing or gigs where a larger controller is either impractical or unnecessary. This slim controller connects with an included mini USB to USB cable and both monitor and headphone outputs. Each mini deck includes playback controls, headphone cue controls, level, pitch fader, 4 trigger pads, and a jog wheel. The DJ2GO2 Touch jog wheels have been upgraded from the previous DJ2GO2 controller to be capacitive on the top to enable both scratching and track nudging from the jog wheels side. There are even 4 selectable pad modes: cue triggering, auto looping, manual looping, and sample triggering. And finally at number 1, we have the Roland DJ-202. While the Roland DJ-202 measures up as a super solid 2-channel controller for Serato software, it's not the least expensive option out there. What makes it an irresistible prospect for serious DJs on a budget is its inclusion of an upgrade to Serato DJ Pro, for US customers only. You may have to jump through some hoops with customer service to get the Serato DJ Pro license, but DJ202 buyers are still getting it in 2023. Either way, the DJ202 is packed with features for its size. 2 effects sections give you full control over Serato's internal audio effects, and the mic input has onboard reverb and echo. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.